So guys, for the first step, we're going to access the Windows recovery environment. In the bottom right, you want to click on the power button. You want to hold shift on your keyboard and then click on restart. Here is where the shift key is located on your keyboard. So click on the power icon, hold shift on your keyboard and then click on restart. Keep on holding shift as the computer is restarting, don't let go. Just keep holding shift, which will then take us to here. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then uninstall updates. First, you want to uninstall the latest quality update, and then click on uninstall. Once that's been uninstalled, you want to continue to Windows and then see if that works. If that's still not working, then click on troubleshoot, advanced options, uninstall updates, uninstall the latest feature update. You want to uninstall this. After that, just go back into Windows, see if that works. One last thing you can try is click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then system restore. If you have any restore points available, then click on next and then go back to your restore points. Hopefully, one of these things would have fixed your problem.